Hey there, curious mind. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of biotechnology. But what exactly is biotechnology? Let's break it down in simple terms. Biotechnology is like a super cool toolbox that scientists use to work genetic card cells and give super important structure manually called DNA. Imagine you have magic toolbox filled with special tool.
Why don't we have microscope that help us see really things like cells? Another tool is a test tool. We will its actually different ingredient, just like scientists do with the lab.
No, here we are. It gets even more exciting. Scientists use this tool to unlock secret hidden inside the cells and DNA.
It can do all sorts of amazing things, like make medicine to help people feel better, or create crop that can grow it tricky for deer. To why is biotechnology important? Well, it helps us find clever solutions to big challenges, like staying healthy and making sure everyone has enough to eat.
And here you have friends. Biotechnology is like a superhero tool for scientists, helping them explore to create mystery and make the world better place. Stay curious and who knows what ingredient will discover. You might make one day